Good morning, children. This is chapter Transportation of Material in Plants and Animals. Today we will learn pathway of blood, or you can say the process of the heart, and pathway of blood, how blood travels. So first of all, you should know heart is the pumping station for the entire body, and every day it pumps about 5 liters of blood through the circulatory system of an adult. 5 liters it circulates every day. Can you imagine how strong these muscles? They must be very strong. That ensures that each pump blood reaches from a little toe of your feet to the brain on top of the body. Means you can say from tips and toes. This shows how strong the muscles of a heart is. The heart works as two pumps, one on the right and one on the left, working simultaneously. मतलब एक साथ दोनों काम करता रहता है. दो पंप है, left side and right side. Flow of blood could be understood in the following steps. Means process. Just listen. We have been in the last video. We have already discussed. So just recall them. Deoxygenated blood means impure blood which has no oxygen. Blood flows from all part of the body to right auricle. Auricle is also called atrium. From the right atrium or auricle, it enters the right ventricle via bicuspid valve. अब यहाँ पे bicuspid लिखा हुआ है और लास्ट क्लास में वो ट्राइकस्पिड लिख दिया था. जहाँ तक हमको याद है, राइट ऑरिकल हैज़ bicuspid and left auricle has tricuspid. Okay. From the right auricle, it enters the right ventricle via bicuspid valve. The right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to lungs to receive oxygen and release carbon dioxide. From lungs, blood flows to left auricle through pulmonary vein. Then to left ventricle via tricuspid valve. This is true, tricuspid valve. From there, it is pumped to rest of the body to supply of oxygen. फिर वहाँ से पूरे बॉडी में चला जाता है. दिस इज द प्रोसेस. हार्ट बीट्स around 3 billion times in average person's life. Okay. There is an activity, not necessary, but just listen. To understand the working mechanism of valve and pumping of heart, material, beaker or wide mouth jar, large balloon, 2 drinking straw, wooden skewer, pair of scissors, water, tape and large pan, or you can do it in a sink. Fill the jar half full with water. Cut the neck of a balloon at the end, that part which starts from widen. मतलब जहाँ पे उसका जो नेक है ना वहाँ पर से कट कर लेना है. Set the neck part aside. Stretch the balloon over the opening of the jar, pulling it down as tightly as you can. एंड आपको फ्लैट बनाना है बलून को. द फ्लैटर यू कैन गेट द सरफेस ऑफ बलून द बेटर. इट विल बी बेटर टू मेक अ फ्लैट सरफेस ऑफ द बलून. केयरफुली यूज द टिप ऑफ द स्क्वायर टू पोक 2 होल्स. आपको उसमें 2 होल करने हैं, वेरी स्मॉल होल्स. मेक देम अबाउट एन इंच अपार्ट फ्रॉम ईच अदर एंड नियर टू अपोजिट एंड. तुम्हारे दोनों साइड पे एक एक होल करना है जिसमें से आपको स्ट्रॉ डालना है. और बी केयरफुल कि देर नो एस्केप ऑफ एयर्स. मतलब इतना छोटा होल करना है कि उससे हवा नहीं निकल सके. स्टिक द लॉन्ग पार्ट ऑफ द स्ट्रॉ इनटू ईच होल. द स्ट्रॉ शुड फिट securely in the hole so no air can be कैन गेट थ्रू अराउंड द स्ट्रॉ, मतलब उसको एकदम से किसी चीज़ से आपको ना बिल्कुल पैक कर देना है. Slide the uncut end of balloon neck on one of the straw and tape it around the straw. Set your pump in a large pan, or you can do it in sink. हाँ, to catch the pumped water. पानी को गिराना है इसलिए सिंक में करो. Bend the straw downward. अब आपको धीरे से घुमाना है स्ट्रॉ को डाउनवर्ड. Gently press in the center of the stretched balloon and watch what happens to the water in the jar. Note your observation. You made a simple pump that moved water from the jar. You made a simple pump. You have made that moved water from the jar through the straw into the pan. The cut end of balloon worked as a valve to stop the water from going backward. Back down the straw. Your heart pumps blood into your body through the arteries in the similar way. बहुत क्लियर नहीं है, बट चलो ठीक है, थोड़ा समझने के लिए है ये कि दिस इज अ टाइप ऑफ, हमने क्या बनाया, एक पंप बनाया, वाटर पंप बनाया, और स्ट्रॉ जो है वो हमारा वाल्व की तरह, वहाँ पे जो होल्स है वो दैट वर्क्स लाइक ए वाल्व. इट इज़ नॉट वेरी क्लियर. ये हम लोग पहले ही डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. लुक एट दिस इज हार्ट, 4 चैम्बर, राइट वेंट्रिकल, राइट ऑरिकल, लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल. ओके. ब्लड, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट ऑरिकल, blood is coming through body. Through body, main veins, deoxygenated blood, and finally vena cava enters into right auricle. Right auricle से right ventricle, and then deoxygenated blood is going to deoxygenated blood through pulmonary artery and going to lungs. In lungs, there is exchange of blood, carbon dioxide out, oxygen in, lungs capillaries, and then blood becomes pure. This pure blood means oxygenated blood comes to left auricle through pulmonary vein. From left auricle to left ventricle, और लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल से एरोटा निकलता है. एरोटा कहाँ जाता है? मेन आर्टरी. It carries oxygenated blood and it goes to the whole body. In body organs like head, chest, arms, stomach, intestine, liver, kidney, trunk, legs, everywhere. और वहाँ पे क्या होता है फिर? कैपिलरीज में exchange of blood होता है. Pure blood is used up. Impure blood goes to again right auricle. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you have understood this. Look at this picture carefully and try to understand. Thank you so much. Okay.